Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the app or web, open Maps now and pick a map view. First, tap the map to center where you want focus, then use the plus and minus buttons or pinch to zoom. If your device has a trackpad or scroll wheel, scroll to change zoom levels quickly. Make sure location is on if you want the map to snap to your position, otherwise pan to the area first. These steps get you directly into precise scaling for the next actions. Once you've set the initial zoom, refine it with touch gestures. Double tap and hold, then drag to change levels smoothly. On desktop, try using Ctrl or Shift plus the scroll wheel for finer increments. This depends on browser behavior, so test quickly. Make sure to switch to satellite or terrain when you need visual detail versus symbolic maps, and use two-finger rotate or the rotate control to align the view. These adjustments, to finish, save or share the exact zoomed view. Tap Share or save the location to a list, or create a custom map in My Maps for recurring access. If you need to reset quickly, double tap or use the \home controls to return to default zoom. If tiles won't load or the zoom acts erratically, clear the app cache, toggle connectivity, and make sure the app or browser is updated. These steps fix most display and loading problems so your zoom works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.